How does a battle-born battery work? Well, a battle-born battery has a number of small lithium-ion cells inside of it. Each cell is connected either in parallel or in series with its neighboring cell to form a 12-volt system with the desired capacity, whether it's 50 amp hours, 75 amp hours, 100 amp hours, or 270 amp hours. The bigger the voltage and the bigger the capacity, that means that there are more cells inside the pack. Now, inside each cell, a chemical reaction happens whereby an electron is extracted from a cathode when it's being charged and transferred through the charger to the anode, where it meets up with the lithium ion that has been transferred internally from the cathode to the anode through a liquid electrolyte. That means you have a charged cell. When the battery is discharged, that electron is extracted from the anode through the load and then back into the cathode, where it meets up again with the lithium ion that is transferred in the opposite direction. So all these cells are working in concert with each other. The same reaction is happening, and a lot of electrons are being generated when the battery is being discharged. The electrons go through our battery management system, where we have a number of sensors to measure the current, to measure the rate of change of the current, or the voltage, or the temperature, so that we can determine whether it's safe to allow those electrons to transfer. And if it is, the battery is in normal operation, and the battery discharges, the electrons go from the anode to the cathode until it's ready to be charged up again, in which case we're using a charger to pump electrons from the cathode and back into the anode. And that's how a battle-born battery's deep cycle battery works.